In this video I will show you how to unlock PDF file easily in 2023 for free. See, I unlock this PDF file. See my PDF document now lock. See the PDF file now password protected. Go to this website, link below in description. Upload your PDF document here. After uploading, click checkbox, then click unlock. It takes few seconds to unlock PDF. Now download the PDF file. See, now the PDF file unlock and working well. That's it, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed video, please like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.